Hey guys, what's up? It's Samantha. No, you have not seen a ghost. I've just already taken my shower and it's getting kind of late. It's like 9 something at night and I'm getting really tired. Like I've been going to bed at a decent hour for a little while now. I tried that, it's probably not new, but it's new to me. A lot of girls have like the little foam rod that goes around their head and I tried that. It didn't work for me. But then I heard you can use a bathrobe for overnight curls. And I tried it 2 nights ago and I posted it on my Instagram story and I wore my hair curly during my live streams on Twitch, and I had a lot of people, mostly my friends, ask me how to do it. So I was like, you know what? Next time I do it, I will film it and show you guys how I did it, and hopefully I can get the same results on my second go. This will only be my second try, but it worked really well the first time. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. I'm gonna literally use a bathrobe belt to curl my hair. Now, obviously I have really long hair and it's really healthy and it's like that for a reason. I avoid heat at all costs because you can't really undo heat damage. I've never dyed it or anything. This is just my natural color. And I really love heatless hairstyles because it just helps keep your hair healthy, and this does not take a lot of time. Like in the morning, you literally take it out, kind of brush it through with your fingers, and you're good to go. Let's just jump into it. Here's my mister bottle, and I'm just gonna spray my hair just a little bit with it. My hair's like almost completely dry, and I wasn't going to do this, but then I was like, no, I told my friends I'd do it, so here we go. Earlier when my hair was still wet, I did use like this curling mousse for curly hair. You don't have to, I just did because I figured it couldn't hurt. I've been trying to part my hair down the middle and it's finally laying flat. So I part my hair down the middle, I set the band or the belt on top, and then I'm just gonna take one of these clips and just clip my hair still. And I'm gonna start on this side. I'll probably just show you on this side because it's gonna be the same on either side. So I parted my hair all the way down the back, and what you're gonna do is just take a little section from the front, wrap it. My hair sticks to this because it's like a, I don't know how to describe this texture, but my hair likes to stick to it. But you're gonna take this first section, wrap it around, and hold it back in the front. That's already scratching at the door. And then you're gonna take the back section, just grab a little one, wrap it around the belt, and then hold it in the back. Now this is only my second time doing this, like I said, so it might take me a little bit longer. So you have 2 sections. You have the front section and then the back section. I hope you can see this okay. Now you're back at the front. You're gonna take just a little bit more hair, add it to that first section, and then wrap it over and back to the front. So it's always gonna end up where it started. So this is the front section, so it ends up in the front. And then you hold it. And then you're gonna do the same thing in the back. Just grab another section and then wrap it around the belt, keeping the front and the back section separate. All right, and then you're just gonna do the same thing, swapping the front section and the back section. And you'll get most of your hair in the belt by the time you're around your ear. Alright, I'm just past my ear and I'm getting all the rest of it on this side and wrapping it around. And then from here, you're just gonna alternate wrapping it around the belt. Okay, so we're basically at the ends, and I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and tie it off. I probably should have listed what I was using at the beginning. But basically you're just gonna need like the bathrobe belt, obviously. This little clip or a clip of some sort just to hold it on your head while you're doing this. And then I'm just using 2 scrunchies to hold the ends overnight. Alright, and just because like there's so much extra, like my hair is so long, and look how short it looks in this. So what I did last night was, just because this was like super long and kind of annoying, I just like wrapped it around my hair and tied it around the ends, also just to like make sure the ends stayed secure. I don't know, it's probably not necessary, but so I just wrapped it around a couple times and tucked it in. There. See, now it's just like the same length. All right, now we're gonna do the other side. Looking cute, ladies. All right, this will be worth it, I promise. And it was funny because like the first time I did this a couple nights ago was the first like overnight curling method that I've done since he's lived with me. And it's really funny because like growing up I did like all the heatless styles, but I lived with like my parents and my brothers, and like I didn't care if they saw me, but it was just super funny. You just gotta own it. You just gotta own it. Like, sure, they might think it's funny. He was super sweet about it. Like I knew I looked a little ridiculous, but he didn't care. I'm like, just trust the process. And then he really liked the curls the next day, so he understands the method to my madness now. But yeah, it's super worth it. Like, I'd rather look kind of silly while I'm sleeping and keep my hair healthy and happy and have some nice curls, even if it means I have to look silly at night for a little bit, versus damage my hair, take a lot of extra time out of my day. This is so worth it. So just rock it, just own it and go with it. It's worth it, I promise. Take it from me, I just did it the other day. And another reason I really like this method is it's actually like pretty comfortable. I've slept with like the foam rollers and stuff in my hair. It wrecks my sleep at night, and like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, but having curly hair is not worth losing a good night's sleep and then having a bad attitude, and you're not even enjoying your curls anyway. So I think you guys can tell I'm actually really tired. You could probably like hear it in my voice and see it on my face. And I'll get faster at this like the more I do it, and I can totally see myself doing this a lot. I like wish I would have discovered this method sooner. Also, I've been braiding my hair for a really long time, so I caught on really easily to this method. So I feel like if it feels weird, like if your hands get kind of tangled up and you're not used to doing braids, just be patient with yourself. Yeah, okay, so they're not like perfectly even, but this is what it looks like all done. Super cute, you know. Ready for my hot date now. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it again, just with a couple more mists, just to make sure all my hair is like at least a little bit damp so it'll hold. So now that we're looking cute, it's ready. It's time to like get ready to go to sleep. I'm so tired, I'm sure y'all can tell. But yeah, in the morning I'll take it out, and then tomorrow we'll see what this first day's gonna look like. I'm gonna try and get some good sleep and hopefully look a little more alive when I see you in the morning. Okay, good night. Good morning, it's the next day. I've already gone through my morning routine. I love having my hair like this already in the mornings because when I wash my face, do my yoga, and put my makeup on, my hair's already out of the way. So now that that's all done, it's time to see what we're working with. So, I mean, it kind of got slightly loose overnight, but not really much at all. So I did a good job of keeping it nice and tight. All right, so we're just gonna unwrap these. I'm super excited. These are gonna be so bouncy. Alright, so I'm taking this one off, other scrunchie. All right, time to unravel them. Alright, so this side is done. I haven't run my fingers through it or anything. Okay, let's do the other side. Almost there. Okay, let's take this off. Oh my gosh. So I haven't like obviously done anything yet, so the creases are kind of in a funny spot, but look at this. Like, I haven't even shaken out anything. Look at this. Look how bouncy. I feel like one of those like you know how they have like the Irish dances and they like do the jumps and the curls, just they're super cute and super fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do, I just like to put like a hair oil in my hair. I feel like it helps keep my hair from tangling so badly. And I have a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna do 2 pumps. And just kind of run my fingers through it a little bit. Guys, this is crazy. Look at this, look at these curls. Oh my goodness. So I really, really like this. But they'll also relax after a little bit. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Ah, I love it. Okay, so that is how I curled my hair with 0 heat. And like I said, these pieces will relax, but you could also do like, just piece some of the hair back and then put like some bobby pins or something. You could totally just pin them back or something. If you try it, oh my gosh, I want to see it. You can tag me on Instagram at Samantha Taylor Music. I would love that. So also, I know this was different than my typical videos, but I still think it's fun to do all different kinds of videos. So if you like music and you like singing, this is primarily a music channel. So this is your first time to my channel. I post weekly singing covers, mostly pop and country music, but I also have a couple originals on the way. So if you want to stay tuned for that journey, let me know. If there's any other type of video that you want to see, let me know. And if you want to ever hang out with me on a live stream, I live stream on Twitch 3 times a week for 3 hours at a time. I stream music Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Totally off topic, but I just wanted to let y'all know. So anyways, I'm just super excited at how these curls turned out. This is crazy. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like this video or share it with a friend and you can try it out together. And this is life-changing for me. Like, my hair is gonna be curly like all the time. So anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a fabulous day. Bye.